How to blur a video in CapCut. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. If your CapCut looks something like this right now, tap anywhere else to unselect the video clip and then tap on the effect option at the below of your screen and go to video effects. From here, tap on opening and closing. Now you will see blur option at the top. You can choose anyone from this four. Here for an example, I'll be choosing the blurry focus and it will look something like this. To adjust, tap on it once again and you can adjust the speed and the blur strength. Now to select a section of the video to blur, you can just scroll the effect or slide the effect something like this. Now let me show you how it's gonna look. If I tap on the play button right here, this is how your video is gonna look. Now if you want to add blur effect on another video section as well, you just have to tap on the copy option and the blur effect will be copied and you can place it wherever you want, simply like this, and that section will be blurred as well. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.